Spectrum routers shutting off unexpectedly are often due to overheating or power supply problems. Routers generate heat during operation. If they get too hot, above 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit, they'll automatically shut down to prevent damage. Unstable power from voltage spikes, faulty adapters, or even simple fluctuations can also cause shutdowns or reboots. As of October 2025, these issues account for 15 to 20% of Spectrum customer service calls, though improvements are being made to reduce this. Ventilation is crucial for preventing router shutdowns. Place your router in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight or heat sources like heaters. Clean any dust buildup from the router's vents using compressed air. Dust can block airflow and cause overheating. Power cycle the router by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds. This resets internal components and can clear minor glitches. Check for firmware updates through the Spectrum app. Updates often include stability fixes that prevent shutdowns. Inspect the power adapter for damage and consider using a surge protector to protect against voltage fluctuations. Use LED indicators on the router or diagnostics in the Spectrum app to identify causes like thermal overload or power failure. For persistent issues, contact Spectrum support for a possible hardware upgrade to a newer model with better cooling.